1.5 holding. Ready going.
Oh no, that was such a bad dust storm. I'm glad we all made it out. Wait a minute. Where's Watney?
Kidding me? Did we actually leave Watney?
I think he got lost in the dust storm.
Oh no.
Should we go back for him?
We left him. Wait, do you know if he'll survive?
Well, he is a marine scientist, so should have an idea about how to get water.
No, he's a botanist. The marine scientist wasn't added to our group, remember?
Right. Okay, so let's think for a minute here. Should we go back to get him?
No. At this point, we don't even have enough fuel to go back. Let's think about how we could possibly survive.
Do you know if the winds were high enough to injure him?
Let's think about this for a minute. With a velocity of 100 miles per hour winds on Mars, the atmosphere is so thin that it would be comparable to 11 mile per hour winds on Earth. It's not going to have the sort of energy to move him or any of the large objects he has with him.
I know for a fact he doesn't have enough water to survive for too long. So shouldn't we return to get him?
Well, he can extract water from the soil. There's plenty of ice still frozen within the soil. All he has to do is dig it up and heat it up. But what about the food?
Well, he could also use the water to grow plants. Since he's a botanist, he should know that the soil is good for growing. The Martian regolith is full of nutrients like magnesium, sodium, potassium. But he does have to be careful about the perchlorate that's in the soil. Can be toxic. But luckily we sent him with microbes and he can use those to convert the perchlorate into extra water and oxygen.
Oh, that's good, because it would be bad if he ran out of oxygen. The atmosphere is actually less than 1% oxygen, so good thing he has that.
Isn't he exposed to a large amount of radiation if we don't get back to him?
The magnetosphere on Mars is negligible, since the core of the planet has cooled completely, stopping the movement in the core, making the planet geologically dead.
That means he's being exposed to solar winds for several hundred days.
Yeah, that could be really bad. But what about if there's an accident? Like, what if he were to get impaled by antenna? Hypothetically.
Oxygen level critical.
Actually, if his suit were to get ruptured, he wouldn't survive. The atmospheric pressure on Mars is about 6 millibars compared to Earth's 1,000 millibars surface pressure. His blood would begin to boil and he would physically explode.
So what do you think? Should we go back? You guys think he's still alive?
I say let's just go ahead and go home, because I think he's pretty much dead at this point.
It's a very good chance, and even if he is alive, he'll be exposed to so much radiation. He's probably a mutant.
Yeah.
Or have cancer.
Not to mention the temperature on Mars is like a negative 150 to 20 degrees Celsius. I think that's too cold to withstand with that long period of time that he's going to be there.
And what if he's wandered across the surface of Mars? It's going to be hard to find him.
There's no point in us going back. We probably won't find him, and if we do, he'll be dead. So let's just go home.
I agree. I mean, we'll have some explaining to do, but I think at this point they'll understand, because I don't think he's going to survive at this point.
Yeah, he's dead.
Sorry, Watney.
Bye!